Want to take your kids to holiday abroad to Antalya in Turkey but don't want to break your bank? Then here's how you can book this holiday package just over £100 that includes flights, hotel, breakfast and dinner. And you can fly from London, Birmingham and Manchester airports. And you don't need to contact any travel agent or pay commission to any TikTokers including me, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it all by yourself. But before I show you how to book this holiday deal though, make sure you smash that follow button and like and save and share the video so that I can continue finding these holiday deals for you. And do put your questions, queries in the comments and requests for different holiday deals for different countries in the comment section. I love your feedback. And if you're new here, make sure you check my profile because I share a lot of cheap holiday deals, flights from UK, travel hacks and news and informative content. So let's dive in and book this holiday deal for Antalya Turkey, just over £100 for 7 nights. So the package is for 2 adults and 2 children in Bana Hotel in Antalya in Turkey. Prices in February 2024 are just over £100 including midterm and Valentine's Day. And you'll see the prices for other months and different airports just in a second, so keep watching. And for this particular deal, you'll fly from London Luton Airport to Antalya during the day. Just look at the times. You'll fly with Wizz Air and the package is all protected to give you peace of mind. And you can secure this deal just for £25 per person deposit. Now let's check the other airports and different flights. So we've got London Gatwick, London Stansted, Manchester Airport, Birmingham Airport, and you can fly with Pegasus, you can fly with EasyJet. To book this deal, visit Love Holidays and type in the details that are on the screen and you'll find the deal.